Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, call me governor is the chant that Senator Adeleke is hoping to be making tomorrow as the appeal court finally makes a decision on who actually won that Osun state election that was heavily rigged by Malam Buhari, the APC, and Osun Mole and their APC cabal, etc. So now guys, I bring you this. Breaking news, appeal court set to deliver judgment on Osun election tomorrow, and this really goes to explain why the police, the Malam Buhari police force of Nigeria, arrested Senator Adeleke a couple of days ago. So the headline again, appeal court set to deliver judgment on Osun election tomorrow. So here's the body of the story. The appeal court has fixed tomorrow, May 9, 2019, to deliver judgment on petition filed against the All Progressive Congress Party candidate Gboyega Oyetola, who was declared winner at the polls and since sworn in as governor. The PDP's candidate, Senator Ademola Adeleke, and his party had approached the panel contesting the declaration of Governor Gboyega Oyetola of APC as winner of the polls. He had led the first ballot before losing the second and final after the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) declared that the slim margin was not enough to return him, thus an inconclusive election. The electoral body later fixed a runoff for September 30th, 2018, where the governor eventually emerged victorious. That's the sitting governor now. So, dissatisfied with the outcome, Adeleke and the PDP headed for the tribunal, asking it to set Oyetola's victory aside and declare the petitioner, which will be Adeleke, as winner. The Director, Publicity and Strategy of APC, Kunle Ayotomi, said the party was very optimistic. We expect to win. We have no fear whatsoever to believe that the judgment will be negative. On his party, the state coordinator of PDP, Dele Adeleke, said the party expects nothing short of victory. Adeleke also shares the same feeling. So that's Senator Adeleke. So now it looks as though the battle line between Senator Adeleke and Malam Buhari and the cabal and their stooge in Osun State is now reaching a crescendo. Well, not a real crescendo, of course, because of course we still have the Supreme Court. So we are expecting a victory for Senator Adeleke at the Court of Appeal, and then we're then expecting Oyetola to then appeal that and then take it to the Supreme Court. What really usually happens in these instances is somebody, the winner who was cheated, will get a victory through the courts, but there'll be so much delay by the time that victory is then affirmed, the cheat, the person who was rigged in, would have then served his full term. This is usually the state of play in Nigeria. So now this Buhari's agent Oyetola is now fighting tooth and nail, obviously sponsored by the coffers from the CBN, against Senator Adeleke, who is still trying to hold firm, even though Malam Buhari is sending the police to go and arrest him and intimidate him, and hopefully I'm hoping not beat him up, because Senator Adeleke is too fat to be beaten up. I don't think that guy's body can take beating, you know. So this is now the state of play, and it looks as though we are now on the cusp of another round of a decision, this time at the appeal court. And no doubt this if Adeleke gets victory, whatever the verdict is at the appeal court is going to be appealed to the Supreme Court. So this is now round 2 of a 3-stage process, which really is the journey to the Supreme Court. So tomorrow is the verdict. So I'm bringing you the precursor now, and I'm bringing you the main dish, of course, when we have that verdict as well. So now, what says you? Senator Adeleke, Malam Buhari, Buhari's boy Oyetola, Buhari's justice system versus the fat boy, the dancing senator. This is now the state of play of Nigerian politics as of the 8th of May 2019. So now, what says you? Adeleke, Buhari, the court, Oyetola, and rigged elections. Topic of conversations for this video. Come join me in the comment section to have this conversation. But before you come join me in the comment section to have this conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, bell button that notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's have a chat about this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.